Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, what just happened in Chelsea training ground? What just happened, guys? Can you believe this? Chelsea under 21 team beat Chelsea first team. Chelsea under 21 team beat Chelsea first team 3-0. 3-0 yesterday training. And Madueke became angry and cancelled yesterday training section. Guys, what are we now seeing? In fact, what Chelsea can do doesn't exist. I'm telling you. What Chelsea can do recently doesn't exist. How on earth our first team, Chelsea first team, under 21 beating our first team? How? I never see this. I never see this until I see Chelsea. Guys, yesterday, Chelsea under 21 training match beat Chelsea first 11. Chelsea under 21 beat Chelsea first 11 3-0. Then why are we paying these players? And these same players are going to compete next season for the Premier League, we are saying. These same players, we want them to go and play Champions League football for us. They can't beat their under 21. In fact, even Chelsea playing against the under 21, it should not be 11v11. It should be like 10 or 9v11 against the under 21. Give it to them, mash out them, show them that indeed you are really playing for the senior team. Show them that indeed you are really the masters. They have to learn from you. But our under 21 rather beating the senior team. In fact, today I was to rise. I said that today I will not shoot any video. But immediately I saw this message. I saw this news. In fact, I said, no. I can't let. See, the pains was flowing through my pulmonary artery and my pulmonary veins. I could not withstand the pain. Chelsea under 21 beating the senior squad. The first 11 training match. So then why are we using this our senior squad to play Premier League games? Then Madueke should go and bring the under 21 players to come and play for us. And our women team, they are doing well recently. Yes, they reached semi-final in the Women Champions League. Yes, semi-final. They beat Man City. In fact, the first league, they lost 2-0 to City. The second league, they came back 3-0. So our women team, they are, in fact, Madueke should bring them. Madueke should bring Lauren James and co, Sam Kerr and co to come and play for us. How on earth? This is a big shame. Yes, you may say this is a training, but Charlie, as far as it is a training, that means that it is not official. It is less intensive. Like, let the guys learn from you. As a first team player, no matter how the situation, and the 21 should not beat you. No matter how. These guys are supposed to learn from you. So imagine I'm going to learn from you during a football game. I'm beating you. Why should that you are good? Or why should that you are capable more than me? Guys, that is information yesterday. Even information says so that Madueke became angry to some extent. He cancelled that training session yesterday and let everybody go home. Yes. So let's hope as we are returning from the international break, our guys pick form. Yes, our guys tend to serious players and give us top 4. As we are speaking now, it is only Chelsea fans who want the progression of this our team. It looks like our owners don't care. It looks like Madueke don't care. And the players the same. Nobody is serious in Chelsea except with the fans want our Chelsea to come back. So guys, that is the information. Our under 21 beat our first team, yes, yesterday in training match 3-0. Let me hear from you under the comment section. I can't see this. I can't believe this, guys. Yes. And let's come to Cole Palmer. But before we move on, guys, please, just remind you again, please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the motivation to give you more videos. So please, smash the like button and smash the subscription button. Let's come to Cole Palmer. In fact, Cole Palmer returned to training as we are speaking now. Cole Palmer is in covenant training with his teammates. Yes. So now, Cole Palmer is back. Jackson is back. Madueke is back. James is back. And who? Yes, Fofana and Lavia. Everybody is now available. Who is injured recently? I think we don't have any injury player again. Yes. Oh, guys, remind me under the comments. Yes. We don't have any injured player. Everybody is available as we are speaking now. Casado, Enzo Fernandez, everybody, Neto, Nkunku, who and who, yes, George, Jorgensen, the Almighty Sanchez, everybody is available. So this time around, no excuse. We don't want to see poor performance in Chelsea games recently. We don't want to see any reason why Chelsea didn't win this game. Oh, we play well, but we could not score what and what. Jackson is back. The Jackson we said we miss is back. Yes. And luckily, Cole Palmer is also back. So we want to see that connection again. Jackson and Cole Palmer chemistry. Let's hope it come back again so that they can start scoring, banking in goals, giving assists, yes, and give us top four. Because now that is the only thing Chelsea we need. Top four, top four, top four. 3 seasons in a row. Chelsea will not play Champions League football. That will be bad disaster. Because of lack of Champions League football, we don't have share sponsor. 2 seasons, yes. Chelsea don't have share sponsors because of no Champions League football. Just because our owners want a certain amount, and that amount, unless your team is playing Champions League football. So no matter how the situation, whether raining or shining, Chelsea must play Champions League football this season or next season. Yes, because Charlie turning the Champions League football to table from now, it is super good. Yes, excitement. Yes, you can see the entertainment in which our Chelsea is not there. It's not good. It's not good. So, guys, Cole Palmer return to training. That is a good news. That is a good news. Let's hope all these players return and stay injury-free till the season end. Yes. And Chelsea will play in FIFA Club Tournament, the competition after the season. When the season ends, let's hope Chelsea go and win it also. Yes. So, guys, that is the information. Cole Palmer return to training. Yes. As I mentioned, Cole Palmer, Madueke, Jackson, everybody's available. And let's come to the young, talented player Chelsea signed from Portugal, sporting Geovany Quenda. In fact, from Portugal, they consider Geovany Quenda as a global star. Chelsea didn't just sign a young, talented player, but Chelsea signed a future global star. That is how they label him in Portugal. And even Bernardo Silva from City, yes, said a comment about this guy that he is good, that in the future, he see him in the Portugal national team. Geovany Quenda has been considered as a global star. Yes, that is how they label him. And that is good. Who don't want a global star player in his team? Everyone wants a global star. The prime Messi, I wanted the prime Messi in my Chelsea. I wanted a prime Ronaldo, a prime Neymar in my Chelsea. Who don't want any player who is good? Yes, any fan want prime global player in his team. But just that in football, the reality is there, differently from the hype. In football, you can have all the hype about your player, do whatever you can do, say nice words, complimentary words, everything you can say about your player. But football doesn't play through words. Football play on the pitch, and football doesn't play by words, by saying nice words about your players. No. Your player must go onto the pitch and deliver, and show that performance, and show that expectation the fans are having on him. How many praises we didn't hear about Cesar Casadei when Chelsea was about to sign Cesar Casadei, but when he joined Chelsea, no playing time for him to even show that whether the expectation, the nice words, when Chelsea was about to sign Modric. How many words we didn't hear about Modric? Nice words. Chelsea is signing Eden Hazard replacement. Chelsea is signing who and who. So it's good. These guys, Geovany Quenda and the other young player Chelsea signed, yes, the midfielder, they are good. They are good. But as we all know, our Premier League is different ball game. Even you can be superstar in your league, even La Liga, when you come to Premier League, everything will change. You will not get it easy. Yes, some players, they will come during their first season, they pick it, but it doesn't happen always. Yes, 1 in a million, yes. So the Premier League is different ball game. Yes, Geovany Quenda, good player. Yes, good on the feet. He can dribble, take on his markers. He is a good baller, I'm telling you. But he is young. The expectations, the nice words are good. Yes, for his morale, for his confidence. But Charlie, the reality is also there. Different. When it comes to the Premier League, particularly Chelsea, I don't know why. You can see Chelsea player going to his international level. He will be superstar. He will be playing well. But immediately he landed in Chelsea, you are seeing different players. So I don't know why. So let's hope all these players, the expectations we have on them, let's hope when they come, they pick it. the likes of Estavio, Geovany Quenda, and all the young players Chelsea signed. Yes, they are good. They are good. When you look at the profile, talented players. But as I said, this is Premier League. This is Chelsea. A lot is demanded. There is pressure. So, guys, Geovany Quenda has been considered as a global star in Portugal, and that Chelsea signed a talented player. Let's hope when he joined Chelsea, in 2026, he joined Chelsea. When he joined, yes, we can see the best of him. And next season, Estavio will be joining. Pies will be joining. Yes, another young player, talented attacker, Chelsea signed from Ecuador. So, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about all what we discussed in this video. And please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, give me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. So please watch another video, enjoy another video on this channel. Yes, you will like it. Take care, peace.